I start with the Syma X500 4K drone review for beginners. There is no barrier for an experienced drone pilot to use a quadcopter with easy GPS and one extra battery. Perfect gift. 5 GHz FPV video transmitter rich Syma X500 drone best for a beginner photographer. The auto return home will give you a test of a modern fun drone on Syma X500 of 40-minute flight time with the follow me mode feature. Whether you are a beginner drone pilot or an advanced user, the Syma X500 RC drone with advanced features will fulfill your hobby. You like the drone and want to buy knowing the details. So I am doing Syma X500 4K drone review 2022 after 5-day recharge for you. The 250G lightweight Syma X500 drone is easy to carry. Due to the weight cannot be registered FAA. The big thing is that it is ahead of the 250-gram weight of drone in the market, with the advanced features, and under the $200 price range. Extra available for having 2 mAh battery. In this case, the cost also comes down a bit. Due to 2 batteries, 40 minutes of flight time will give you great fun flying drones. An eye-catching experience with a UHD camera photo, aerial video. The GPS auto return and follow me feature will give you an advanced flight experience that many expensive drones do not have. Necessary brush motor attachment is also a positive issue. And because of the foldable thing, this well-designed foldable drone can handle a walk. When I came to review, I realized that the Syma brand X500 4K compact drone has more features than many expensive drones. Syma X500 remote control. Without a doubt, the remote controller is an important thing for drones. The Syma X500 drone's remote controller comes with rechargeable technology and a compact design without AA batteries. Users don't have to worry about changing the rechargeable battery, because it comes with a USB charging cable. Syma X500 camera. The main feature of drones is the camera. The drone Syma X500 has a 4K camera, but the 1080p high-resolution camera works well. It has the advantage of using a 64GB SD card with an adapter. The SD card determines the extra video quality on the drone. It is difficult to find such resolution cameras in drones for under $200. Syma X500 GPS. Having GPS features in a drone is a fun experience. There is no chance of the foldable quadcopter getting lost. You will have more power to control the range. Flying drones in GPS automatic return mode can drive to a specific ground situation at the push of a return button. Syma X500 flying time. The drone needs better flight performance for fun. Drone Syma X500 maximum flight time 20 minutes per battery, not 26 to 28 minutes per drone battery. 40 minutes real-time flying experience with modular battery, which connects to another battery at the end of the charge without dispute. The total driving time of 58 minutes is mentioned somewhere, but no evidence has been found yet. It will allow you to do important photo or video sessions without any hassle. Syma Drone Company's X500 is one of the best cheapest drones for beginners. In the end, I can say that many people, including me, have good experience using Syma X500 4K drone. Everyone is enjoying using its camera, Syma app, return to home, and other features. Many people have been using it for so long that nowadays they need spare parts.